Hey guys, what's up? It's TeamFormulicious here. It's me, Jason, and PJ here. We have 10 tins open. We already took out like all the cards, like the dualities and all that. I'll just show you guys example. All my dualities in this binder and guys, all kinds of stuff. Alright guys, we're gonna start with the packs. Open a lot. Rare. March towards Ragnarok.
I don't expect much out of Ragnarok.
I hate Ragnarok, dude.
I don't care about Max C.
That's pretty much all I care about. Nordic Early Ming, George Secret.
Put it over there.
Yeah.
That could have been something so good.
I don't know, dude. That could have been like a maxi. That makes me kind of tight. Let's get on the tour guide.
We have 4 more tins to go, dude. Get out. Ooh.
Halberd Cannon. Now for Hidden Arsenal 4.
Oh, Trish? Trish was good?
Of course, nothing ever. Flambo. Chow, that's about the only thing good.
Exterior.
Exterior. And
Dude, no, read that. Read that.
Yeah, he's alright. Alright, so that's one thing, guys. Got quite a few hollows there. That's tin 1. Put up tin 2.
Read that. That's a +3.
Man, dude. What's up with my sucky hollows, bro?
Still, man. At least you're getting hollows.
I know.
You could get rares.
I know, but still. March towards Ragnarok again. Figures. So we got this pack 18. Extreme Victory does not open.
Dude, if you get 2 right there, you're wearing your grandma's room. Just go.
What the? Dude, there's a rare in the front. Dude, what the heck?
You got 2 rares in
I
there.
got 5 rares.
What?
Dude, what?
That's random. That's magical.
How did I get 5 rares?
That's random. Dude, that's cool.
That's cool. Well, I got a rush right now. That's really random, dude. 5 rares in a pack. That's never happened to me before. They gypped me on a tour guide. That's why they did that. Stupid people. Dragonite Barsha. Birdman. Ooh, that looks ugly. Why did? Oh, it's not first. That's why. Looks really ugly, doesn't it? It's really random, dude.
You need to know those.
Oh, 5 rares, dude. That's really tight, bro. They gypped me on a tour guide.
What do I see?
Alright, now. Open this face down. How many Trishes, though? What's your color, though? Ah, crap. No, that's 2 tins, guys.
Dude, how many minutes we at? 3?
That's the Dustin, bro.
It's all good, though, bro. It's all good. How many rares? Ooh, and a Vanidus. That's pretty cool. I like that card.
Could get that scrap worm. Got no one back.
Come on. Foolish Return. Yeah, no good hollows yet, dude. Got gypped on that secret. Could have been a tour. Ooh, Psychic Shockwave. And a Striker.
That's pretty good.
That's pretty cool.
You're getting 2 secrets out of 3 tins.
Phone going ham. Ooh. Tree of Landoys. Man, hamness, random. Still no good hollows though, dude. Man, dude.
So we
Alright,
got
guys.
3 of these dudes, dude. We got 3 of them. It's a +3. Ditch 1, specialist from your hand, specialist on your hand.
Alright, last of my 10. Then the rest of the other guys.
I was second. Call it. He's the most chill. He's gonna get a tour.
Oh, Nordic Lights Ultimate. That looks cool, but that's just random, dude. Man, dude, I get the worst hollows. I swear to God, dude. I've not gotten a single good hollow.
Dude, still, you're getting hollows though.
I know.
Rare.
Rare.
Oh, you shit.
Alright.
Still got it. Still got it.
Rare.
Rares? What the hell?
Use a 5.
Dude.
Dude, oh my gosh, dude.
Dude, what? I got 5 rares in a Blade Blaster. Dude, what is... These packs are random, dude.
That's cool though.
These packs are
What if
really
you get
random.
5 tour guides?
Dude,
FML, bro.
dude, I'm about to quit. These packs are so random, dude.
They're funny. They're all misprint packs.
Man, come on, dude. No trash. Birdman, wow, dude. Last pack.
That's the truth, bro.
He ain't no fish.
That's the truth.
No trash.
You like me.
Figures, bro. My packs are
Alright,
rigged.
my turn. I'm up.
My packs are so rigged, bro. I swear to God, dude. How do I get 5 rares in 2 different packs? I hate this game, bro. Hey, I'm about to quit buying packs, bro. I just bought them for the dualities, but it's all good, though. Stupid packs. Alright, guys. Well, my review, I got a Blade Blaster. Let's see, $3, right? Not even $1. $5 maybe at the most. $3, $3, $3, $3.
Yeah,
Good hollows,
that made
guys.
your tens up, dude.
Not really. Terrible hollows, bro. Terrible hollows. Alright, guys. So that's my tins. I'll let this douchebag go now.
Right.
Watch, he's gonna pull like 3 tour
Dude,
guides.
I already took them all the packs, so I'm doing my extreme last. It's been forever since I've actually done a pack. It's been taking like hours on this pack. Like legitly.
I'm Mark Strong on packs, bro.
Is it? Am I right, hater?
That's the best of 5.0.
Ooh, I don't even know what the hell
Ooh,
that
Violent
is.
Delta. That's a good card, bro. Actually, I want that.
I already pulled one right off the bat, dude. There.
You pulled a secret for your first
I
pack.
don't know what the hell it does. What level is it? 7?
Yeah, that's stupid.
Non-tuner light monsters too.
I want to make a Violent deck. We go hard. I'm doing no work. I was get pieced up by him. You ever got pieced up by a Violent deck? Wow, another one?
Dude.
Dude. How many Ragnaroks, though?
Oh, wow.
Alright, crap, dude. PJ's keep asking me to get a tour guide or something, bro.
Nah, I don't ever know me, bro.
You're gonna get a tour guide done, dude. Doppel. Ooh, that's a pretty good roll, dude. I like Doppel.
Man, dude, you're already off the bat, bro. Doppels, dude, I would trade you like any of these houses for a Doppel, bro. Not saying that I need another Doppel, I'm just saying these are
You have
terrible.
like 7 Doppels.
I know.
Meaningful facts. You got 3
Rare.
rare.
Put the rare.
No, I don't want to. I'm just putting the good rares, dude.
So, put it right
I
there.
didn't even put any of the rares in there. They're messing up my opening, yo.
Mark. I don't know, rare. Can't just diss the rares like that.
And fool's return.
Oh, Paul. Tell that.
I'm really tired, bro. Those packs are terrible for me.
Ooh.
Low key.
Ooh.
Ultimate, yeah.
How much is that?
I don't know, like $6 or something like that.
That's good.
Get a church, dude. I'm
Gonna flip.
He's about to. I can feel it.
I can feel it coming.
Not good there.
Oh!
Way to ruin my opening right there, Paul.
Where you come from? Man, bro, you stink.
People getting in my hand.
Man.
Trish?
Ooh, I thought it was Trish for a second
Oh, it
there.
looks like Trish from Windows.
Yeah. How many crappy boxes though? What's your favorite color though?
Jim,
What's your favorite color though?
I swear. Okay.
Lando.
I thought it was for a second there. What is that? One more? No, two more? Yeah, two more.
One more? Two more. Hey, bro, you don't hard on him, there's enough.
Nah, it's just a regular stereo.
Wow, those are so booty, bro.
That's all I could do.
I ain't getting nothing over $3.
Stereo again. I hate stereo so much, dude.
That's funny.
Dude, that's like the bootiest secret you can get. Kadabi.
That just like ripped right open, Kadabi. Alright, extreme.
Alright, tour guide Mark.
You gonna get this 5 rare thing? Yeah.
Dude, what is up with these packs, bro?
Weird, random.
Bro, you get 5 rares and like, it's random, dude.
Did they do it on purpose? Dude.
My bad.
I think you're on him on. Bro, that's random. 5 rares.
We're gonna do it again? 5 rare again?
Tour guide.
How many? No.
No tour guide.
Oh, let's get less pack. Tour guide, tour guide.
Ain't tour guide, dude.
Huh?
Ain't tour guide.
Yeah, I know that, bro.
You know
Hopefully it's a hollow, guy.
that. It was silent.
Sounds like a wizard.
It was alright.
Review.
Sure, review it.
Wait, can't even see him. Alright.
That's alright.
Yeah, right.
Mix that.
Where's all the stuff over?
Did you do any good, Damon?
Huh?
Did you get anything any good?
Yeah.
That's there. That's my bad.
PJ's turn. Yeesh. How many? Alright, three packs. 3 packs.
Mark.
You rip it with your teeth?
Yeah. Real. That was good.
He's fast though.
Real.
Ooh,
Lance.
Lance, dude.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
How many? Mark?
Mark, bro, you didn't even see that.
I know.
Hey, look at that.
You already got the best pull, bro.
Yeah, ain't no way.
Dude, I trade you all these for Lance.
Tour guide? Real.
Substitute random. Where you coming from?
Church?
Nope.
Ooh, random.
Okay.
He random.
They all ran?
They all random.
Oh.
Dude, we've got 3 land voices.
Like 80 stereos, dude.
Bro, Lando's is too easy to pull, bro.
I'll take the Lance though, dude.
No, it's just my ass.
You were talking about how you wanted the Lance, too.
I don't know. That's magic, man.
Yeah. It's too many.
I did okay, and then you put it. I like that Loki. Loki's pretty nice.
Oh, Ghost Ray random.
Yeesh.
Huh?
Wait, we need Thor. We get
Yeah.
Thor.
We get Thor?
If we get Thor, we have all 3, yeah.
We got it.
You're capable of it, bro. You got it.
Yeah, we got it.
How many
Oh,
Thors?
Mark.
How many Thors? Man, bro, he's got the best pulls already. Dude,
Wow.
Vortex, bro. Random,
Dude,
dude.
you be going hot right now, dude. Tour guide?
Tour guide? Come on.
You get how many tour guides?
Is that rare thing?
Wow, bro.
5 rares and the blueness.
Ham this with the rares, bro. 5 rares, that's random. Might as well expect 5 rares. 5 rares your tour guide.
If only they were good rares, man.
So booty, bro. Hate, dude. Dude, I hate Narsal for. You never pull anything good from there.
That's good.
Bootiness. Alright, last 10.
I don't love it.
Over EH. Ghost Rare. Ghost Rare Armstrong.
Yeah.
This card destroys an opponent's my battle to the graveyard. You can discard 1 failed monster to draw 1 card.
Ham this random. Smoke signal.
It's not bad.
So that's at 1.
Yeah. You tight?
Yeah. What's this stuff? Stuff change?
Yeah.